Hello and welcome to this tutorial about background images in WebgeTech theme. We are going to see what has been enabled on the theme. First, let's start with a scheme that presents what's possible. There are three options available to change your background image. First, you can choose to use WordPress Interface to add a background image. Then, you can choose also to use one of our models that we prepared to look good on the site. Or you can also choose different images in the media library and add it to a background slideshow. Now let's see how to use WordPress Interface to add a background image. Here we are connected to the admin dashboard. We go to the child settings and verify that we have the option Use WordPress Background Image set. Then we go to Appearance and Background. Here we can choose an image in the media library or upload one. We set the background image using WordPress Interface. We simply have to reload the page and see the changes. As you can see, there are white parts on the images on the logo and the footer. You can change the logo and the images on the site to look good on images which don't have a white background. You first have to go to the Genesis Child's Theme settings, choose a predefined color. Here you have a list of predefined colors you can choose. Here we are going to select the natural green color. You have to save the settings and then go to Appearance, Header, and choose the natural green logo. Natural green is here. We set it as a logo for the site. And reload the page. Here the logo and the footer look good now. Now let's see the built-in option to add a model as a background image. Before we use a model as background image, we have to remove the header image that we added using WordPress Interface. We go to Appearance and Background again and click the Remove Background Image button. Then we have to go to the Theme settings, choose the option Use one of our 9 models, and choose the model in that select box here. We're going to select the first model we made for the site. Save the settings and reload the page. On WebgeTech theme, we have 5 different models and different layouts for some of these models. We are going to see an example with model 4. First layout displays circles regularly under the menu and up the footer. The second layout displays circles on the whole page regularly. Finally, the third layout displays circles randomly on the page. Now we are going to see how to add the background slideshow of models, and then we'll see the different options to add images to a custom background slideshow for the site. To activate the background slideshow, first we select the option in the theme settings. On the demo site, we have a background slideshow of models. We go to the media library and click the link included in background slideshow. Only the images that are selected for the background slideshow are shown. We simply have to reload the page and the background slideshow starts. If you want to control the way the images are displayed in the background slideshow, you have to go to the theme settings, then in the slideshow options, and here you can choose the number of images you display once you have selected them in the media library. Then here is the duration of display of the images. Here it is set to 10 seconds, and you can choose to display it with this slider here. And also you can use the transition option to see the transition between images. Here we set it to 0, so it's instant transition. If you want to add custom images to the slideshow, you have to go to the media library. Then you can use a bulk action to deactivate the images that are in the background slideshow of models, using the bulk action exclude from background slideshow. Now you can see that there are no images in the background slideshow. And now you can select the images you want in your background slideshow. And use the bulk action include in background slideshow. Now these images are in the background slideshow. We simply have to reload the page. And here are the images that were selected in the media library. As you can see, we still have the white parts on the logo, the menu and the footer. So we can select a predefined color using custom images in the background slideshow so that the logo, the menu and the footer look good. Here we use again the natural green predefined color. And we reload the page. Here you have also to put the logo with the natural green color so that it appears well on the site. You have again to go to Appearance, Header, select the natural green logo, and reload the page. This was a WebgeTech tutorial about background images in WebgeTech theme. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please go to WebgeTech support forum.